Home security is something that concerns us all. But what goes on at your home when you're not there?
Don't even think about it. You need to leave.
Introducing Floodlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security camera that puts HD video, automated recording, and a powerful alarm in your hands. Floodlight Cam is the ultimate in proactive home security. A 140-degree HD camera detects motion and captures video with two-way talk. And two high-beam LED smart lights illuminate every corner of your home for optimal video quality. You can easily customize Ring's advanced motion detection so you only get notified when it matters. Available in 2 weatherproof finishes, Floodlight Cam is easy to install on any home and integrates with a variety of smart technologies. Floodlight Cam is smart enough to detect faces and objects.
Hey girls.
Hi, Dad.
And works with your other Ring cameras.
Oh, hey, can you remember to bring the trash cans in tonight?
To create a ring of security around your home. Day or night, Floodlight Cam watches over your home and keeps you in the know. See security in a whole new light. Floodlight Cam by Ring. A home burglary occurs every 15 seconds in the U.S.
It's just a sensor.
And most take place when you're not there.
You guys lost?
No, this is Mike's place? Mike's place?
No, it's not. You need to leave.
Introducing Spotlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security light with an HD camera, automated recording, and two-way talk that keeps you safe and protects your home. Bright enough to light up your yard. 270 degrees of advanced motion detection. Smart alerts to your phone, so you always know what's going on.
Hey guys!
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mrs. Roberts.
Promise me you'll do your homework, okay?
Day or night, protecting your home has never been easier. Spotlight Cam by Ring. Security for every corner of your home.
Hi, Funny. I'll be back soon. See you later.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Hello.
Hi.
Please leave the package at the door.
Okay. Hey, what you're doing? I can see you. Go out my hall. Go, now.
Wait for me. Wait for a moment.
The 10-vis IP camera is equipped with a 720p high-definition lens for sharper and smoother video and images. It can be rotated 360 degrees horizontally and perfectly cover the entire room. When night comes, the 10-vis IP camera switches to night mode automatically. The built-in 11 infrared sensing LEDs clearly represent images within 32 feet, even in dark environments. In addition, the 10-vis IP camera is equipped with a microphone and speakers, and the two-way audio function allows you to enjoy real-time calls. You don't have to worry about your baby and pet at home when you are at work or on the go. The 10-vis IP camera can quickly capture movements in 3 seconds and send email alerts to the app in a timely manner. Unlike other IP cameras, the 10-vis IP camera discards complicated and cumbersome installation steps. With one-click operation, you can connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi stably. Support for up to 128 GB micro SD card storage, which can keep you for 2 months of video recording.
Okay, everybody, let's go.
It's 7:38 a.m. and your family's heading out the door. Dad's going on a work trip. Mom's headed to the office. Luke and Sarah off to school. It's nice to know that Gus will guard the house while you're out. But luckily, you also have this guy to keep an eye on things. Lighthouse is a new kind of smart home device that's actually smart. It knows the difference between your dog walker, and any unexpected dog walkers. Ask Lighthouse to let you know what time your kids get home from school, to let you know if they're running late, or if Sarah comes home with a Brad. Lighthouse will recognize that she has a guest with her, and Mom's notification gives her a chance to welcome him herself.
Oh, hey, Brad.
Ugh, Mom.
Lighthouse also recognizes certain gestures, like waving, so Luke can get Dad's attention while he's out of town.
Hey, buddy.
Dad, I made this awesome suit out of tin foil. Look, got elbow pads, knee pads, a cape.
Wow, that's a really cool outfit.
And if Mom comes home to discover something out of place,
Okay.
all she has to do is ask.
Did the dog jump on the couch today?
Maybe the better question is,
Who is running between 3 and 5 p.m.?
and that's why we created Lighthouse. Simply put, Lighthouse is the first of its kind. It uses a 3D time-of-flight sensor and the most advanced computer vision and machine learning ever put into a home device. With this kind of smarts, you can keep your home and family safe while engaging with your loved ones in a totally new way. Because it's about time a smart home device actually knew the difference between this, and this. Welcome home, Dad. Say hello to the future. Say hello to Lighthouse. Find out more at light.house.
They say home is where the heart is, but most of the time you're not there to receive deliveries, see who comes by, or protect it from unwanted visitors. With the Ring Video Doorbell, you're always home. Ring streams HD video and audio over your home Wi-Fi to mobile devices. With Ring, you'll never miss a visitor.
Delivery from Mr. Phillips?
Great, just leave it by the door, thank you.
And Ring's customizable motion detection makes it easier than ever to keep an eye on your property.
Oh, I see you, Timmy Stevenson.
With Ring's cloud recording feature, you can instantly access, replay, and share your video events. When it comes to security, Ring lets you give the appearance of being home even when you're not.
Hello?
I'm just in the neighborhood doing free house painting estimates.
I'm bathing the children right now.
Ring helps families keep their homes secure and prevents break-ins before they occur, during the day and at night. The Ring Video Doorbell was designed to enhance your home's entry. With a wide variety of faceplate options, you can customize Ring to fit your home's personality. You don't need extra tools or professional help to mount Ring in minutes. Ring works on any home, whether you have available power or not. And should someone steal your Ring, we'll even replace it for free. With convenience, 24/7 home monitoring, and the peace of mind of added security, Ring families are always home.